Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to add a pass to Google Wallet like a boarding pass, event ticket or loyalty card right from your phone. So start by opening the Google Wallet app on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now tap on Add to Wallet at the bottom of your screen. Now select the type of pass you want to add. You'll see options like loyalty card, gift card, transit pass, and so on. If you have a QR code or barcode, you can scan it directly. If you received your pass via email or file, tap on everything else. And from here you can add your file and then follow the prompts. After importing or scanning, tap Save to Wallet. Your pass will be then added and ready to use when needed. You can find your saved passes anytime by opening the Google Wallet app and scrolling through your cards and tickets. And that's how you add a pass to Google Wallet. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.